guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the REEBOK Beatniks. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the REEBOK Beatniks, and we got this in the hemp colorway in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's a US 9. So we are looking at the sandals from REEBOK. I know you guys must have seen these a ton before, but we've got the hemp colorway, or the material is made from hemp, but I'm getting ahead of myself. And you know, with everyone loving mules, sandals, crocs, slowly right that REEBOK have something to throw into the mix. And to be fair to you, like, I've seen Beatniks sort of sell out, which is wild, but we're here, we're Bok Boys forever. I know I haven't done a REEBOK review in a while, but we're still Bok Boys. Shout out Brendan Dunn. If you're watching this, I mean, we know that we are. Shout out Bok Boys. So yeah, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see it's heavily lumped, all there for your grip, because this is obviously an outdoor sandal. Looking at the midsole unit, so this midsole unit has some foam, so it's kind of split. You can see the split where you've got the two tones of black, where the rubber is, obviously that's where the outsole kind of continues, and then you've got the footbed. So the footbed is a foam, and the upper, so as I've mentioned before, the upper, meaning the colorway, is hemp. So for those that don't know what hemp is a type of plant, and you're able to design this kind of canvas material from it. Very neutral colors with the backstrap also. That's there for your adjusting. So you've got your hook and loop system just to get your feet in. So the white, you got REEBOK branding on the strap also. That's on both the middle and the lateral side. You got this little tab that says hemp, just to say that it's made of hemp and this is like natural materials. And that is most of this. That actually rounds up my review. There's no laces or anything that's involved. You got this back strap to adjust your feet into, and I'm a big fan of clogs. I'm a big fan of these sandals. This is the first time I'm going to be trying on a pair of Beatniks. So I am used to seeing, the puffy one that you'll kind of see everywhere. So it's going to be interesting to wear something canvas-like. I'm a big fan of, obviously, the Birkenstocks, and with the Crocs. So this is a brand new one for me to try on. So when I do that on feet, I'm going to let you know my feet, thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So I'm going to roll that footage of me doing it on feet for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I probably should have got a half size down to what we got. This is a UK size 8. I probably should have got a UK size 7.5. My toes are, you can see there's a bit of a gap because my toes are at the front. But other than that, this looks really cool. It's a bit different wearing a canvas, well, it's a hemp upper, because I'm so used to wearing like mules, Crocs, or leather mules from Birkenstocks. But other than that, apart from it being a bit lighter, it really looks cool. You can take the strap off, but I think the strap is a bit necessary because the material of the upper is quite flimsy, but that's just my personal preference. But other than that, these look really cool. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with his end at the end. Until next time, peace.